grew up on it.
Get you some.
So we're out here getting this mulch today, and I got a little cleanup to do first where cars were parked yesterday, but we're gonna get some mulch laid.
Sun's out, guns out.
So we got about halfway done here, and we got to go get more mulch, and I think we're gonna take a lunch here real quick, so chugging right along. So there's certain places on this job where we're not gonna mulch just to save a little money for the property owners, but like back in here, let's see, back in here behind these bushes, I mean, it's not even visible from the road or anything, so there's no use mulching it. So that's what I'm doing back here. We're wrapping it up here, so we're gonna go blow everything off, clean up, and get out of here.